Now within the main, I'm taking int id and character type of array, which is name, for which I'm giving 50 as the letter limit. And then using printf, I will be giving message to the user, enter name and ID. When the user enters name and ID, in general we use scanf and scan it in this manner. Like percentile D will be for ID and percentile S will be for string, and then we will be assigning this ID, scanned ID, to address of ID and address of name. And again the same we can print using printf, where we are going to see ID is percentile D and name is percentile S. And in place of this percentile D and S, we are going to substitute ID, comma, name. So in general, the standard input output functions are scanf and printf. So we are using a scanf to take in the user input ID and name, printf to print the name and ID. There also you can give ID and name. So now how to use fprintf and fscanf. So fprintf and fscanf are same like scanf and printf, but the thing is we can use fscanf and fprintf for reading and writing files also. So we can read and write the formatted data from files using fprintf and fscanf. That's the reason while using fscanf and fprintf, we write a first argument as if you are reading or writing from console, then if while taking the user input as the standard input device is keyboard, we will be writing stdin, and when you are printing on the standard output device, that is your screen, output screen, stdout. If you are reading and writing from files, then here in the first argument you will be writing the file pointer name. So let's see whether it works. So when I compile, I get 0 errors or warnings. So fscanf, fprintf is used in same way as scanf and printf. The only difference is the first argument we write the location where we want to print or from where we want to take in the user input. So now we are working with console. We from keyboard we are taking in the user input and printing on the console. So we are taking standard in and standard output as the first argument. If you are using files, you can use the file pointer name. So I'm here writing ID and name. When I get message ID and name, enter ID and name. So ID I'm giving 123, name I'm giving HJ. So I get ID 123, name HJ. So this is printed using fprintf, and this is taken into the program using fscanf.